What's going on, everybody? I'm Brian, and welcome to the WBRG BTV, Brian's Technical Videos, where we work on customer bikes, show you step by step what needs to be done. If you're wanting to get your bike worked on here at BTV, top link below. Let's get to work. Hello everyone, and welcome to our first installment of Wreck Bike Rebuild Garage's BTV. Today we are working on a 2016 Yamaha R1 coming from our friend John over at Infinite Wraps. We're going to be installing a half system from SE Projects. This was given to us by our friends over at Motivation. So before we get started on this thing, you can see it already has a Yoshi mirror half system on it. Just to give us some sort of idea if there's going to be an audible difference, we're going to fire this up, give it a listen, and then we'll have something to compare it to later. So here we go. Alright, don't want to warm it up too much before we mess with the exhaust system. I know it seems a little odd to be starting from the other side of the motorcycle where there is no exhaust system, but the first thing we need to do is disconnect the O2 sensors. So let's get some of this stuff out of the way and get to that. All right, O2 sensors are off. I'm going to start removing the exhaust, starting from the muffler. All right, so I got to take the seat off to gain access to the hardware for the passenger foot peg, which is being replaced with the aftermarket hanger. Son of a... Alright, let's start installing the new exhaust system. We're going to start with the head pipe extensions and then move on to the collector. Alright, before I finish installing the exhaust system and tightening everything down, let's get all the wires routed and ran. This is a good opportunity to put all the hoses back and reinstall the shifter. Alright, all the wiring is in place. Now we can install the muffler and final tighten all the hardware. Okay, so before I start up this motorcycle and heat up these pipes, it's time for me to wipe off all these greasy paw prints, otherwise they'll be permanent. They really like that one.
I think so.
Just to finish up the job, the last couple of finishing panels go on, and then we'll be ready to fire it up. Alright, so here's our R1. We're going to mount the seat back on, fire it up, give you guys the sounds from it. Now this is with the DB killer in. Wow, that's a lot louder. It's a deeper tone.
Yeah, it's totally
It's a deeper
different
tone.
than
It definitely has a few more decibels to it, and that's with the DB killer in it.
Are you about to take the DB killer?
I'm about to take the DB killer out.
Uh-oh.
Wait, the DB killer wasn't in the
Not
Yoshi?
the Yoshi. No. Alright, so everyone, this is our 2016 R1 with our SC Projects half system exhaust on it. DB killer in, DB killer out. Time to clean this thing up, take it for a ride, and give it back to John at Infinite Wraps. Enjoy, bud.